Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're dealing with delayed Snapchat notifications in 2025, you're not alone. It's a common issue that can really throw off your social game. Whether you're missing snaps from friends or important updates, we'll get you sorted out quickly. I'm excited to walk you through some easy, step-by-step fixes that should have your notifications popping up on time again. Let's dive in. First off, start by checking your app permissions. Go to your phone's settings, find the Apps section, select Snapchat, and make sure notifications are enabled. Sometimes, apps get restricted accidentally, causing delays. If that's all good, move on to updating the app. Head over to your App Store, whether it's Google Play or the Apple App Store, and check for any available updates for Snapchat. Developers are constantly releasing patches, especially in 2025, to fix bugs like this. Next, let's tackle battery optimization. Many phones have features that limit background activity to save power, which can slow down notifications. Go to your device settings, look for battery or optimization, and add Snapchat to the unrestricted or not optimized list. This ensures the app can run smoothly in the background. Another quick fix is to restart your device. It's simple but effective. Just power off your phone, wait a few seconds, and turn it back on. This can clear temporary glitches. While you're at it, try clearing the Snapchat cache. Open the app, go to your profile, tap the settings gear, and find the Clear Cache option under Account Actions. It refreshes the app without deleting your data. Don't forget to check your internet connection. Weak Wi-Fi or data signals can cause delays, so switch between networks or restart your router if needed. If nothing works, consider reinstalling Snapchat. Uninstall it, restart your phone, and download it fresh from the App Store. There you have it, folks. By following these steps, you should see your Snapchat notifications working like a charm in no time. If you're still having issues, drop a comment below, and I'll help out. Thanks for watching. Smash that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more tech tips. Catch you in the next one.